Everyone, this is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online with visual content marketing on hectic schedules with ease. And today's video is about what is custom graphics versus non-custom graphics. And so I had someone in one of my Facebook groups ask me what is the difference between a custom graphic versus a non-custom graphic. So number one, custom graphics are graphics created from a blank template in which you create your own design from scratch, with your own imagination, your own unique design that's not designed like any design you have seen. And custom graphics take longer because you put more effort into them to make it unique. And you have to make sure the pictures, the fonts, the graphics, and everything that you are using are placed correctly in the design, and it's designed correctly. The dimensions are correct, and all that stuff to make it look professional. And with custom graphics, it will take a couple of revisions also, because let's say you may work on it one day and then you come back next day, you look at it, you be like, I think I changed the fonts, I think I changed the pictures. So you're going to revise it till you get it right. And it could take a couple of hours, it could take a couple of days. There's graphics that I have worked on for a couple of days, for example, like infographics, also known as information graphics, these long vertical graphics that are like a little educational graphic will the process of something, or educate your audience or something. So, for example, that's why some graphics will take longer. Especially as I said here, the custom-made graphics would take longer than what we get ready to talk about, non-custom graphics. Now, non-custom graphics are graphics that you use from an already existing template. And what you do is you just switch the colors, the fonts, the graphics, and the pictures to your liking. And they usually take up to 5 to 10 minutes. So let's say that if you need a graphic right away, then you would use a non-custom template to create that graphic. As this graphic you see on the screen, all I did was switched out the picture of the original template, used this picture. I kept the little lines on here on the left side, kept that in, and the two little blocks where you see the words, I kept those. I just changed the words around and changed the colors of the little rectangles and the little lines on the left side of the graphic. So that is a non-custom graphic. And I'm going to show you some examples here. So here's some of my YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to scroll up here. And so these first few thumbnails here are custom made. They're in the making. I'm not finished with them yet. So I are working on these, and like I said, I'm taking my time working on them because I want them to look good. And and these are for later videos, but I just got a head start on them. But like I said, it is from your custom graphics or your own design. They're from your own imagination, how you want to look. And further down, these are the non-customs. This is like the one I showed you on the screen. I got several versions of these where this template right here, I use this template right here. And as you see, I clicked on that and it came up here. I switched out the picture of this. I changed the color of the little lines on the left side, the words, and kept those boxes just, rectangles, just changed the colors, okay? So that is it. So I want to know, do you prefer custom made or non-custom made graphics? Let's talk about that in the comments. And if you like this video, thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on visual content marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell symbol for alerts.